Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve another quiz problem, which is binary tree path. So basically, this is one of the good problem. So the question is quite simple. So what the question is saying, like we have given a root of a binary tree, and we have to return all root to leaf in any order. Okay. So the order does not matter, but we have to return it's all the from the root from over here to its leaf over here. So this is our root, and this is the leaf node. This is the left side, and from the on the right side, this leaf. So this is left side and this is right side. So over here till over here. So okay. So how we have to read it? We have to read 1 2 5, 1 2 5, and 1 3 1 3 like this. If you carefully look at over here, if you carefully see, we have to read something like this in the string format. So the question is not too hard, but the only difficulty in this one we have to written in the form of string. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, let us start solving the problem. So how are we going to do this? So first of all, I will suggest you to look at this constraints. So let's just see anything like we do have to deal with any base condition, and they are saying like the number of node present in is from 1 to 100. Okay, so it means like there might be something present over here. So we don't get any, we don't have to write any base condition, but let's just we will write it over here anyways. So what I will do over here, first of all, my first job is to create an array list where I will get my final result, final output. So okay, and it has to present, it has to be in the form of string. Okay, so I will call as result simple, and this new array list. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear. Okay, now what I will do, I will create my base condition. I will say if my root is null, let's just say we get empty. So I will simply return my result over here. Okay, and now what I will do, I will make a function call. I will make another function call. That function call helps me to get the complete order from its root to the leaf. Okay, so let me just call that one as a helper. Let's just say, okay, and this helper will go from root. It has to be stored in the form of string. So this is our path, and we have to get our result as well. We get it, and finally return the result over here. So this is the simple thing. Okay, now let me just create my helper function over here. So for that I will use void helper. Okay guys, and this is tree node root, and path will be present in the form of string path. And what else I have to make a call to my result as well. If you remember, array list. Okay, and this array list is present in the form of string, so result. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope so this thing is clear what I'm doing. Okay guys, okay, now here the things come. So what I will do, I will create one condition over here. My condition will say if my root dot left is null and my root dot right is null as well. So this is, let's say, our another base condition for this one. If the only root is present over here, it does not have any leaf node. Okay, so then what I will do, I will just simply say result dot add to my array list what path plus root value. Simple guys. Okay, now over here, now what I will say add this value, add my left value until it does not reach null. Okay, so I will add my left value until it does not reach null over here, like this in this one. Okay, so till then this thing will work. So what I will do, I will just simply make a function called helper, and in this one I will say root of left with path. So path plus root dot value plus this sign. If you remember this sign, as you see over here, the sign we have to give this one. So that's what I'm doing over here. Okay guys, and finally make a call to our result as well. Okay guys, I hope the code is simple. The code is not too hard. The only thing is like we have to get return in the form of string. That's the only thing over here. Similar thing I will do for my right side of my binary tree. Okay guys, path plus root dot value plus, okay guys, and result. So that's all our code, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just give a quick run here. Let's see any compilation error do we face over here. Then I will talk about its type complexity. So we just get a compilation error over here. What is saying? New array list. Okay. That's what mistakes happen. So it's okay. That's why we call engineers, because we built to solve the mistakes. Anyways, guys, let me just give a quick run hit. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So it's accepting very well. Okay, so let me just talk about this time complexity. So in this one, guys, time complexity we are dealing with is big of n log n to big of n square. Okay, so what? So this will be for our best case, and this will be for our worst case. Okay, guys. So I hope that this thing's clear. If you still have any doubt, I will suggest you just do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely gonna reach to you guys. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I hope this video helps you a lot. So if you still have any, I will again saying just do let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Take care, bye bye.